What's going on, guys? My name is John Stacks, and today I'm at IAA Northern New Jersey, and I'm looking at a couple M3s and M4s for my next project car. Really, this is one of the best locations, and they have 3 at once. As you can see, there's an M4 right there, M3 over here, and another M4. And I'm looking for damage primarily like this, to the side, to the door, or the rear end. I don't really want to get a BMW with the front completely smashed in. There's a bunch of parts there, and the headlights are extremely expensive. There's actually a Lamborghini Diablo here as well, and a Maserati MC Stradale, and thousands of other cars. But I'm here mainly for my next project car, and I'll take you guys along with me showing around the Lambo, Maserati, and any other cheap exotic cars we could find. So like I said, the Northern New Jersey IAA is one of the best ones, and they have like a Tesla Model 3 right here, Mark 7 GTI, a Lamborghini Diablo. This is one of the craziest cars I've ever seen, let alone at a salvage auction. This might be the cheapest Diablo to ever sell, but we'll look at that one later. There's also a BMW i8. This one has a hard hit to the rear. You can see the wheel popping out. And then the main reason I'm here to look at this M4, M3, and the other M4. I really like these side hits. I don't want anything that was smashed in the front too hard. I just don't want a front end hit BMW. Then this is like my dream car right here. White M3 with red seats. If you guys want your own IAA account, whether it's just to browse cars or to actually buy them, you can sign up for free by using the link down in the description below. And also, if you choose the paid plan, you could use the code JOHNS19 for $50 off the paid membership. This is the other one. A lot of suspension damage here, and then it was hit in the rear as well. As you can see, the rear quarter panel and the trunk, bumper, and the exhaust. There's also this Gran Turismo MC, and it has a very light hit. As you can see right here, just the headlight, bumper, fender, door, and rear quarter. No structural damage on this one. And it has like the carbon fiber package. So this is definitely a nice car. This Diablo is definitely the most exciting car here today. It's a 1999. The original color is silver. It does have this matte blue wrap on it, and it appears to be in perfect condition. However, it is flood damaged. I don't know how deep the flood water was or whether the car was running or not, but the car was not test started in case there is water in the engine so it doesn't get further damage. Super clean car. I like that it has the original wheels. It does have the gated shifter. There's some scratching on the front lip, but luckily there's a wrap to protect some of it. Now I'm making an assumption here, but as you can see, these lower fog lights have condensation in them, and so do these, but these do not. So I'm assuming the water line was here or lower, which is a good sign because the motor's a lot higher. So definitely a good sign. Massive V12 back here. It appears to not have been water damaged on the top, but I can't tell for sure. That dripping's just from a rainstorm that we had the other day. Back here, these beautiful exhaust tips. Alright guys, now that we're done looking at these cars, let's hop in the golf cart and take a look around the yard. Maybe we'll find something crazy. Alright, hop in. that's going to be it for this video. I wanted to end it with 2 giveaways. The first giveaway is going to be a 1/18 scale Lamborghini Diablo SV. And to enter that giveaway, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment Diablo SV. And I'll be picking the winner at 3,000 likes. The second prize is going to be a 1/18 scale Lamborghini Huracan. And I have 2 of these, so there's going to be 2 winners. All you have to do to enter that giveaway is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and follow my Instagram at John_Stacks. And I'll be announcing the winners at both 1,000 and then 2,000 followers. It's going to be live on the story, so definitely follow me. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope I see you guys next time.